guys, we're going to be doing an unboxing of the Caliber Stouts. Hopefully that's how you call it. So it's made by iFrogs. Looks pretty good. So has a little preview right there. Some 3.5mm jack. It's also compatible with iPhone, iPad, and Android devices and any other mobile devices. So yeah, let's check it out. So yeah, hopefully you enjoy. Let me just open it off screen. There we go. Want to keep the box in shape because I'm probably going to keep the box. Okay, we have opened it. There we go. Nice little opening. Now let's get this out. Just like a hook. Oh boy. Oh. There it is. It's nicely there. Now let's get it off this, get it out this plastic. Oh, those are pretty soft. Wow. Okay, so there's the mic. Let's get this baby out. There we go. Get this mic, this wires out. Move that away. Holy crap. Now that's impressive. You can adjust it like any other headsets. Let me smooth the camera. So here's the little there's tons of jacks and wires. I heard this is like 2 meters, I think. Heard a review on these. So yeah, it's a movable mic, obviously, because you're not gonna see. There we go. This Caliber there, stout. Nice and soft. Stitching looks good. Soft up here, Caliber up here. You can adjust it. There's like a nice logo, I don't know what that is. So, yeah, blue and black. Now let's get these jacks out, and I'm gonna try to put it in some devices. Hopefully if I can get this out, bare hands. Oh man. So, this is my first unboxing on this channel. Well, unboxing of an electronic. I did unboxing. Oh, here it is. Unboxing of Pokemon packs. So yeah, just more wires. Now this, I'm gonna get that out later. Not really important. Get this out. So it's easy to unbox. Nothing really too. There's no bag for it. So here we have like adjuster, the volume it looks like. And well, here we have a jack. If you guys can see that. So I'm gonna go test these out. First, I'm gonna test it on one device. I had this for Christmas. I got it for Christmas. A PSP. I'm gonna try the first jack that's already connected to it. Here it is. That's the charger. Yeah, here's the jack. Fits in, so it's used for PSP. You can use it for PSP. Get that out. Oh boy. Hopefully my camera doesn't fall, but take out my DS. First edition. Also works. Wow. Pretty impressive. We also have other jacks. So this is going to be the end of this unboxing of the new, not really new, I don't know, but Caliber Stouts. Hope you guys enjoy, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye. Wallboy signing out.